Not Simply and Old Willy Wonka, Doge Lunk and Dead Egg and Blood Champ John Cena, that dinosaur who can only say me. These are a few of my favorite memes. Too many cooks and a buddy named Bonzi, Trollface and Pingu and Illuminati, running so fast at supersonic speeds. These are a few of my favorite memes. Quickscope 360 with Doritos and Dew, scary skeletons that just want to spook you, Shrek's ogre face oh so lovely and green. These are a few of my favorite memes. When I'm triggered, when I'm screaming, when I feel oppressed, I simply go look up my favorite